Hello everyone, this is Mizan, and in this video I am going to show you how you can translate your theme or plugin and make a pot file and that can be used to translate your theme or plugin into any other languages. So let's begin. We can do it using POEdit and other editors, which is easy, graphically user interface based, but if you are quite accustomed with the command line, you can use this method of that means I'm going to use a CLI, command line interface, to do that. Let's do it. The translation command line interface tools could be found at this particular GitHub repository. Actually, it is a direct subversion of the WordPress i18n tools, so you can actually download from there or you can use it. It's totally up to you. I'm also going to add my tool in the description of this video, so you can use that from the GitHub, because I also have included a command file which you can just copy and you paste in your project. So what you have to do is you have to go to your WordPress installation, then you just paste the tools like this file, so you have to paste over here in the folder name tools. Okay, then you have to run this, you have to enter this folder from your command prompt or git bash, or from your terminal if you are using Linux then or Mac, then you can just type the command. Okay, so you have to make sure that your environment variable has PHP included in it, because it's a PHP code. Okay, so you need to figure out that. If you don't know how to check your path, please comment in the description. I will show you that. I mean, comment in the video actually, and I will show you that. I will give you a walkthrough about it. Anyway, I'm using git bash. It's a bash bash command tool from Git for Windows. I mean, Git for Windows has given this tool to me. You can also just run command over here. I guess it is possible. I am holding the shift key, and from there I guess is it possible to open it in terminal? PowerShell. Yeah, you can use PowerShell also, no problem. This is Windows PowerShell, where you can run shell and command, DOS command, I guess. So we are inside of this folder. You can do it in PowerShell, even you can do it in command prompt. I mean DOS cmd. You can do it over from here. You have to just change the directory. The best way is I believe is to do like git bash in here or PowerShell over here. So I have already given it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how you can do it. Like if it's a plugin, you have to just give the plugins directory path, or if it's a theme, you have to just give the themes directory path. So I'm going to change the pot file of this one. So I'm just renaming the old one and renaming it. Then I'm going to run the command. So I have to find the folder name. It's wp content/theme 2011, then languages, then I have to give the name of the file that I want to make the pot file. Anyway, so I'm again going to the root, not root, on the top level folder of my WordPress installation. From there I'm going inside the tools, and I'm opening my command.php for your consideration or for your reference. We are going to run this command actually. So it's a PHP command, so excuse me, it's a PHP command, so you have to write PHP, then we are running the make pot file, makepot.php. then what we're going to do, we have to write, like we are doing a WP theme, so we have to write that WP theme, it's a theme, or we have to write the WP plugin. Then we have to give the path. So I am inside tools, so I have to go one level back, so that is double dot slash. Then I have to go inside WP content then I have to go inside the themes, then I have to write the theme folder name. So in my case it is, I guess, if we go, so themes, so 2011, I guess, yeah, 2011. So 2011, so I'm writing it 2011. Okay, the next step is 2011. Let me check again the spelling I have written. Yeah, it's okay. Then what we have to do, we have to give a space, and that's the next part of this command. So we are going to give the folder name where we want to make the pot file. So I am going one level back because where I am right now, because that's why I have to give one level back. I am going one level back, then I have to go to WP content, then themes, then my theme name. Let me make it okay. So my theme name is 2011. Then which folder I want to make the pot file. If I don't write anything, it will be over here. Then what should be the theme pot file name? So basically what we do, we give the theme slug as the name. So this one has a slug of 2011. So then we are going to give it a name pot. Okay, I just hit the enter. It will take time, and if it's okay, you are not going to see any error. That means it's done. So have a look in this folder. So we can easily see this is the old one and this is the current one, and I have updated the theme, and I guess the last language file they didn't update, that's why it's 16 KB, it was 15 KB. So what it did, it actually translated actually made a translatable file, pot file for reference, which someone can open in POEdit or any language editor and change to their own language. It's a template file, reference file. It actually, what it did, it actually took all the translatable string that we have given in our theme, okay, like I have to find, I'm making the video short, so I am just writing. So like suppose you have made something like this, this function, yeah, it's a translatable function, or you just made other functions which are translatable function, and it will take the string and it will make a pot file for you. I hope you have understood how you have to make a pot file using the command line. It's very easy, and it's like 10-20 seconds based upon your team size. So it's quite easy, and you don't have to deal with any software or other things, just a terminal or command prompt thing, and it's quite easy. So I hope you can make a translatable file quite easily for your theme or plugin. Let me know in the comment below if you liked it, or if you need any help or any video regarding WordPress. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.